Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Holden Cruze SRI, stock reference number 5623. This shape ran from the 3rd of 2013 to the 1st of 2017. It has an A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front wheel drive transmission. So we have a A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front wheel, alloy mag, good tyres, good bonnet, left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, fair tyres, left hand tail light, tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, good tyres, left rear door, right rear door, right front door, right hand mirror, right hand guard, right front wheel, factory alloy mag, good tyres, we have the door trim, master switch, center console, gear stick, heater AC controls, touchscreen display, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, 3-spoke steering wheel, vinyl with audio, cruise and wiper buttons.